Hey, you're in my room. Today we are going to be looking at some slimes that I made yesterday. I was going to film it, but I was having trouble with my YouTube because it was storming all day yesterday, so I couldn't film it. I wish I could though. So, we're going to be, playing with slime. I don't know what any of that was. But, first slime. Let's go. Let's go, I guess. Oh! Okay, wow. Here's the first slime. So they are all fluffy except for two, I think. I don't know. Yes, I am the creator of this slime. Yes, I am proud of it. Like, look how shiny it is. It's so glossy. And I will tell y'all some other day how I get my slime so glossy. It's actually pretty easy. But that'll be another video. So, yeah. For now, we are going to be paying attention to the slime. So, I'm going to tell you what kind of slime this is. It is a fluffy slime. Regular fluffy slime. Except it's a glossy fluffy slime. And, yeah, it turns into like the mountain slime basically, where it has all the hose in it and it feels like shaving foam. It turns into that, so it's a different type of fluffy slime. But I'm really proud of it. It does not stick to you. I mean, it seems like it would, but you can tear it off easily. Sorry about that. See, look. You can tear it off easily. Just like that. It is very, very, very stretchy. As you can see, it's stretching higher than what y'all are right now. And y'all are pretty high up. So, I guess that's it for this slime. Just kidding, that's not it for this slime. It's also a white slime, a white base slime. And you can hear pops, yes. Does it make bubbles? I'm not sure exactly. Let's see. Here's a small one. Let's retry that. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you this on the intro, but you're on Phoebe Metz channel, is what it's called. It's the name of it is actually Phoebe Metz, my name. Just because like no one else really has that, and I have two channels actually, but they're both Phoebe Metz. But the other one has octopuses as the picture, the circle picture by the name of it. So, yeah, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. So you can subscribe right here. And also, turn that little bell from gray to blue, please. And turn the thumbs up from a gray thumbs up to a blue thumbs up. So, be sure to do that. Thank you. We also still have more. Hey, it made a bubble this time. That was pretty great. That's all I have to say about this one. And this one looks rubbery, but it feels like not rubber. So, wait. Oh. The click is amazing. You want to hear that click again? Yeah, you want to hear that click again. By the way, this is my first video, so it's not that good. And I will be sure to edit this video once I learn and post this video once I learn. But I've got pretty much everything down. I think. So I'm gonna keep reading and editing, and well, this is my first video to ever edit or anything, so yeah, I guess. Next slime. Ooh, this one's jiggly too. It's a jiggly, fluffy mountain. What else did I say? I believe I said glossy slime. Yes, glossy slime. So it's just this. I don't know. It's just a really great slime. So yeah. Next slime. Oh gosh, so hard. So hard to let go of them. It's just like they're so nice. Now first slime. Next slime, please. Flying in. Oh yeah. Ooh. See, it's like the mountain slime. See all the bubbles in it and stuff. That's what I love about this slime. Listen. Shh, listen. Okay, so, yeah. By the way, I was trying to make this a cookies and cream slime. As you can see, maybe, it has little iridescent glitters in it, but the slime makes them look gray or black. So, it's my cookie and cream slime. The other one was just like regular vanilla ice cream. Yes, I have names for them. Yes, I will be making more, and yes, I will be sending y'all some. So yeah, whoever first subscribes, I will send you some of the slime, I guess. So I don't know. I'll try to anyways. Like, yeah. Did you hear that? Listen to the poke. It does click. Listen to the click again. That's a nice click. Yes, again. Very, very stretchy. No, not sticky. It sticks, but you can, like, see, it does not stick at all. I'm just holding it with my thumb there. Now, look. It just comes right off. This is nice, I guess. It does crunch a little bit, I think. Let me see. Yep, it crunches. See again. Let's see if it makes a bubble. Yeah, it made a bubble. See it? Yeah, you see it, I think. Yeah, you can see it. Just have to check. Gonna make a bubble on a bubble. Bubble on bubble! Another bubble on bubble. Let's do it. Yeah, we have 3 bubbles. will have 4 bubbles. Oh, they just popped. Hear that crunch? But it does make bubbles. So that answers your questions. Yes, it feels like rubber. No, it does not feel like rubber. I'm sorry. It looks like rubber, but again, feels great. Again, it is a fluffy slime. This time it does do the shaving foam. It does do the mountain slime where it has all the hose in it, like I showed you. But the thing is, it is not glossy. It's shiny because it has some iridescent and silver glitters in it. So that's why it's shiny. But it's not. The slime isn't glossy. So, but yes, it is shiny. So I'm just gonna play with this for a minute in silence. Maybe put some music on. And yes, all the slimes do make slime swirls. By the way, you can check out my TikTok. It is I will put the name up here. The name will be right here. There's the name right there. There. And my Snapchat, I guess, will be right. Let's see, right. Where do I want to put it? Where should you think? Right here? Yeah, it'll be right there. Right here. Do you see it? See it? Boom! Then you have my TikTok and my Snapchat. So, if you try to add me, I will add you back and follow you back on TikTok, and I'll follow you back on TikTok and add you back on Snapchat. So, that's pretty cool. By the way. Okay. I'm saying this because I love the person who makes these and TikToks. The Dobre brothers. The Dobre brothers, they make awesome YouTube videos. They're pranking each other 24/7 and just like, it's great. Their TikToks are so good and hilarious. Go check them out. You can see it on their channel. Go check their channel out. So yeah, it's called Dobre Brothers. The channel is called Dobre Brothers, for sure. Just Dobre Brothers. That is DOBRE, then Brothers. So, yeah. Next slime. That was the second one, I believe. I don't know. Here's the third slime I ever made. Yes, that was first. Then the glitter one was second. And this one is the third slime. Exactly, the third. I know. This one is just, it's my, oh, and I told you all that one. It was the Oreo slime. This one is the glitter, the rainbow cake slime. So, yeah. You can tell why it's the rainbow cake. because look at all those rainbow sprinkles. I mean, glitters. This one is a fluffy-ish slime. Again, jiggly like the other two slimes. I did not tell y'all that. Jiggly like the other two slimes. It's just like the other two slimes, I think. No, not really. It melts faster. And it doesn't stick to your hands. See? Doesn't, stretchy. That was a bad influence. Stretchy. Again. Oh, by the way, y'all will be wondering when I will give y'all the slimes. Well, I can't right now. I will probably do it once we're done, which this will be a long time from now, because it takes me a while to make these slimes, because they are special, and I can't go get the stuff right now, so, yeah, I already had this stuff. I already had this stuff in my craft closet, which I have to clean, yeah, I just had this stuff laying around in my craft closet. So, by the way, I'll show y'all the things y'all need to make slime when I send y'all the slime. It won't be the things to make in that slime. It will come with some activator, just saying. It's a cute little box. I'm spoiling it, okay? I'm excited for it. But, I'm gonna send y'all the slimes when we are done just like quarantining, but we're still quarantined right now, and well, guess where I'm quarantined to? I'm quarantined to this bed exactly, and to that cake in there. I'm quarantined to that too. Yeah, I made a cake. So again, it's clicky. It is stretchy. Oh, it makes a bubble. Retake. I call retake. I need a retake. Math. Like I said, it does make a bubble. See it, see it, see it. Yeah, it made a bubble. It is not crunchy, I do not think. I don't know. Let's see. Yes, it is very crunchy. And, like I said, it's a mountain slime. This one is actually glossy, a glossy slime and a glittery slime. So, yeah, again, this is called Rainbow Cake. Just Rainbow Cake. So, yeah. I do not know when I will be sending y'all these slimes, but I will. I promised I will send you these slimes. Yeah, like I said, first time making a video, so I know I did a horrible job. I will get better as I go on. So, yeah, I'll get better, and I will have more people on my channel. It's just, no. See, my cousin is here with me, and my cousin's here with me, but she's sleeping. So one day, I promise, we will make a video together. I promise you. I promise. So yeah, this is this stretchy slime. Again, Rainbow Cake. It is it's a mountain slime. It's a glossy slime. It has some I just forgot. It is a mountain slime. It is glossy. It is shimmery, and it is not sticky. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it's jiggly. And it's jiggly. Like, see, it just got on my clothes. And I just got to pull it off. See? See how jiggly? So, oh, no. Pull in there. We're on to our next slime, which is our last slime. Remember, rainbow cake. Rainbow cake. This one looks similar, huh? Yeah, I know. Oh, mountain. Exactly. That's the mountain slime. Again, mountain slime. Again, jiggly slime. Again, not rainbow cake. It is not rainbow cake. It is different. This is my unicorn slime. It has a few different glitters in it. As you can see, it has a few different glitters in it. If you can see, yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but it has a few different glitters in it. Not sticky at all. Like, look at this. Fell right off. It fell right off my hand. It is very, 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 very stretchy. Oh. Again, send these to y'all, whichever ones y'all want. And if you want them all, you'll get them all maybe. I don't know. Depends. Stretchy. It's a mountain slime. It's called unicorn slime. Stretchy. It's very stretchy. I love it. It's jiggly. Oh. It makes a nice swirl. Oh, well. It makes a nice one, but I don't know how to make a good swirl. I'm not a slime professional, okay? But does it make bubbles? Yeah, look at that bubble. Oh man, does it crunch? Oh, I don't think it does, guys. Let's see. One more time. Let's try this again. It crunches. Is it poke? Is it like? Is it clicky? Kinda. Again, it's a jiggly slime. Oh, look, it stuck that time, but guess what? Play with it and it comes right off. Again, this is unicorn. The other one was rainbow. I'll be sure to send some of these your way once we're done quarantine. Because, you know, just in case. I don't have it, I promise. But what if the mailman not? Or, yeah, we just don't want to take chances. So, not right now. And that will end off this video. Remember, rainbow, you have your vanilla ice cream, your cookies and cream, your rainbow cake, and unicorn slime. So, yes, I will, I'll send some of these your way if you like and subscribe. That's gonna end this video. Don't look at my room, just look at me. This video. So, bye.